Welcome to the Trail Boss Squad. My name's John. We're shining the light of Christ one ride at a time. And guys, today we are once again working with Lasfit to bring this Toyota Tundra all the way up to the top. There is no spray in bed liner in this. It's just a factory paint, and it is scratched to an unrecognizable state. But Lasfit has got the solution with their truck bed mat, and we've also got another product to review, the tailgate cover. And so guys, we've got two separate products, but they go great together. And we're going to fix the back of this truck up. We've got anti-slip material. All right, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. We need to clean the back of this truck and get it ready for this brand new product. All right, let's go ahead and unbox our bed liner from Lasfit. Guys, in a previous video on this Toyota, we did the floor mats, and they are still fantastic. They're in the truck right now, and if this is nearly as good as those floor mats, we have a good product here. So this is as big as a truck bed once it's all unfolded. Might be tough to get it all on camera. We're gonna unfold it, let the heat kind of do its work to get rid of the wrinkles. Oh man, yeah, it's got that good rubbery feel to it. It's nice and thick. You can see just how big it is. Like I said, we'll kind of let the heat work its magic on this. Kind of go ahead and fold it back into shape from the shipping. It's already pretty flat though, except for right there in the middle. And this, guys, is really going to enhance our truck. I'm excited about it. Now you could pay, $600 or $700 for a spray-in bed liner, but why do that? You can get one of these for a fraction of the cost. And honestly, in my opinion, actually better. Because this will keep things from sliding around, and it will really make a big difference. You can see how precise it is. They even got cutouts for those bolts in the back of the truck to make sure this fits just right. Let's go ahead and open up the truck tailgate mat, get it flattened out too. Alright, now we've got the truck bed mat. Now these are two separate products, but you may not want anything on your tailgate. We want to cover our tailgate too, and so this is going to perfectly cover that as well. So when you open up our truck bed from the tailgate all the way across, we're going to have this awesome material, this anti-slip material from Lasfit. Oh yeah, that's going to be really nice. This will actually screw in to the bed of the truck using the factory screw location. And this will be great. It is the same exact material, so it should really just flow all the way through. Alright everybody, installation is easy. You're just gonna just grab a buddy. You don't have to have one, but it does help. We will just sit it in there, and it will be a perfect fit once you get it in there just right. You may have to shake it a little bit, wiggle it a little bit, but it will all get in there perfectly. Okay, so for our tailgate mat, we will have a connection here at these factory screw places, and these are T30 bits, so we'll just pull all those out, lay this down and screw those back in. But they've also included some double-sided tape to kind of run around the edge, because there won't be anything really securing it down at the bottom. And so we've got this that we will run, and I would just use all of it. There's no reason not to. It's super sticky, but they also included some adhesion promoter too, and so you can rub this wherever you're going to put it. And then once you put this tape on it, and this is already on there, you're really going to have a great connection. So once you get your tape where you want it, and this stuff, it sticks once it's on there, we're going to go ahead and really push it in. And then go ahead and peel the edges. Alright, so once you get started, and it might be fun getting it started, we'll just go ahead and peel that off. Go ahead and move our screws off as well. It is that T30. Once those are off, we'll put our mat down, put our screws down. Now everywhere we put this tape, we want to put pressure on that mat. You'll see us do it. Alright, now that we've removed our screws and taken the backing off of our tape, we want to just carefully line this up over our screws. Once we get it where we want it, we'll go ahead and put our screws in. That way we can make sure we're lined up. And once we put our screws back in, then we'll go around pressing our tailgate mat down. Alright, now that we've got our holes lined up, we'll just go ahead and put our screws back in. Don't feel bad if you gotta pull it a little bit, because we do want this to be very tight across the truck. I would just hand tighten them all first. Then once you get them all started, go back and hit them with the drill. Alright, now we've got all our screws in. Everywhere we ran the tape, go ahead and put a lot of pressure on it to make sure it gets stuck good. The hardest thing's having patience and letting this thing sit in the heat long enough to get flat. If you live in Texas like me, one warm day will get everything as flat as could be. You saw the daytime footage, how good this turned out. This looks really good. It's anti-slip. Nothing's going to be sliding around. Whatever you put down, it's going to be there. Of course, with Lasfit, you're getting that laser precision fit. You know it's going to be good, and you know it's going to last a long time. Guys, this thing fit perfect, looks great, so much better than it did, and I'm excited to put this thing to use. Thank you, Lasfit, for sponsoring this video, and don't forget, Jesus loved you so much He died for you, and all the honor and glory goes to God. Good night, good trails, and God bless.